Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maricel. I hope everyone is well. In today's video, I would love to share to you how I created this look. And I am ready for Valentine's Day, guys. Wow, it's really fast approaching. Imagine we just celebrated holidays, Christmas, New Year, and now one special occasion is coming in 3 days. Yes, in 3 days. I created this look, a romantic look, a sultry smoky eye. I choose red lipstick, but with this kind of eye look you can use any kind of lipstick. So I think it's just suited to any color with this eye look. So if you wanna see or learn how I created this look, so please keep on watching. Alright mga loves, I'll be starting off with sauce, this color, using my brush Sigma number 825. I'm going to pick with that color sauce, tap it off. So I'll be going to put that here on my crease as my transition. So I am just going to do that as in a wiper motion. So I'm just going to do that back and forth. I'm going to pick up that color one more time to build up the color. Going to bring it a little just below to my brow bone. Oh guys, my lid right now is really dry. Blending is struggle, people. Okay, after that I am going to use this low blow right here with the same brush. Just going to put that again in my crease just to build up the color. And then with the same brush again, I am going to use this He Devil. Tap it off, and so I have to put that here in the outer corner of my eye. Now, if I am satisfied with that color and it's less color on the brush, I am going to slowly bring that up to my crease like there and do it back and forth. But I'm not going to go all the way here to my inner corner, just gonna stop right here. And just to elongate the color, guys, I'm going to flick it like that, so it has color on the outer part as well, right next to the V shape of my eye, like that. So I'll be using more of this brush tonight, so it's the E25. So after that color level, I am going to use this Cayenne. Tap it off, and I am going to put that here in my outer V. And slightly go up to my crease. And I'm going to flip the color like that. And then I'm going to switch a brush right now. I'll be using this Morphe M148. I am going to intensify the color of right here, the outer V. So I'll be using the Ashes, this color right here. So I'll be using a more precise brush right now. And I'm going to apply that here on my outer part. And then after that, I'm going to blend like in a circular motion, going up just to the outer third. And then I'm going to flip like that. So with this brush, Sigma from, Sigma E35, without any product on it, I am going to blend out everything. So there's no harshness and the edges will look smooth. And then after that, guys, I would love to use just one eyeshadow, but I would like to use this tonight. This is from Il Makiage. It's called Eyes on the Prize. So this is the colors, guys. It is like bronzy gold. So I'm gonna use my finger right now. And then I'm going to use back this Sigma brush E25. I'm just going to tap here the edge so it will looks even. Tap like that, and then here on the top as well. And then with this brush from Morphe M148, I am going to use this Cayenne and apply that on my lower lashes right here. After the Cayenne, I am going to use these ashes. Just again in my lower lashes. I'm going to connect that right there. And then with this pencil brush, guys, I am going to use sauce, just right this color, just to diffuse the color of that lower lashes. Alright mga loves, I already put on a mascara and my false lashes. Right now, I would like to highlight my inner corner and my down of my brow bone. So I'm going to use this color Ons. So I'm going to apply that here on my inner corner, right there. And on the other side. And also down here a little on my brow bone. And then I want to make my eyes like more pop and open, so I'll be applying this eyeliner from Sephora, this, and it's color white. So I am going to apply that to my waterline. One second. Alright mga loves, here's the final look. So I hope you find this video helpful today, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and press the bell button below so if I uploaded a new video you will be notified. So I guess that's all the video for today, and I hope your Valentine's Day is full of love and happiness. Bye guys, and I'll see you on my next video.